Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you replace the grill on your Toyota Tacoma. First, gather your tools, including a socket wrench, a trim removal tool, and a clean cloth. Make sure your new grill is unboxed and ready. Park your truck on a flat, stable surface and engage the parking brake for safety. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient replacement process. Now, let's remove the old grill. Begin by carefully popping out the plastic clips along the top edge using your trim removal tool. If your Tacoma has a front camera or sensors, gently disconnect their wiring harnesses. Once the top clips are free and any electronics are unplugged, firmly but gently pull the entire grill assembly straight forward to release the lower clips. The old grill should now come off easily. Installing your new grill is straightforward. Carefully align the new grill with the mounting points on your Tacoma's front end. Once aligned, push firmly on the grill to engage the lower clips, ensuring it snaps securely into place. Reconnect any sensors or cameras you detached earlier, making sure their wiring is properly seated. Finally, reinsert all the plastic clips along the top edge to fully secure your brand new grill. Before you hit the road, take a moment for some final checks. Give your new grill a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly seated and all clips are engaged. If you have a front camera or sensors, test them to ensure they're working perfectly. Your Tacoma will look fantastic with its updated front end. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.